Hi, Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, your genetologist, and your obesity resource person. Ang topic natin ngayon ay makaka-relate mostly ang mga makikinig sa atin ngayon. Kasi ang topic natin ay tungkol sa mga anti-aging na pamahid lamang at walang mga procedure. Ngayon, ang maganda dito sa anti-aging na pamahid ay hindi ka na kailangang gumastos ng malaki para magpa-botox, magpa-fillers, magpa-thread, magpa-laser kasi by itself yung cream ay nagpapaganda at nagpapabata sa atin. Ngayon, ito po yung mga creams na yun. In fact, there are a lot of creams now available. Kapag ka nagko-convention nga ako, napakaraming creams, overwhelming na hindi mo na alam tuloy kung ano yung unahin mong gamitin. Kaya kailangan marunong ka, may discernment ka, at alam mo yung mga ingredients na laman nila para malaman mo talaga na ito ay mabisa na pampabata. Well, the first one is this one, okay? Itong dalawa na to ay may retinol, okay? Ang retinol ay nagpapa-boost ng ating collagen, okay? It also helps clears up acne and it speeds up the turnover of cells. When you say turnover, ito yung pag-grow ng cells mo from the bottom to the top, no? Mas mabilis. Sa matatanda, usually mga, sabihin na natin, mga 30 to 35 days. Sa mga bata, 28 days lang. Yon. Kaya, when you speed up the turnover of the cells, mas nagmumukhang bata kasi bagong cell ang nakikita at na-appreciate ng mga tao. Kaya, mas bata, mas clear-looking skin with a better texture. Okay. The next one is what we call the bakuchiol, no? Ang bakuchiol naman, ito ay napag-aralan na ang ingredient na to ay talagang nakakapagpabata. It is a retinol-like plant-based extract na ang effect ay parang retinol din. Pero hindi siya retinol. Kaya maganda, no? Kasi iba yung kanyang mechanism of action. It is used as an anti-aging. It helps soothe sensitive skin. But you have to use sunscreen when you are using bakuchiol. Okay? So, yon. Yung isa yon. Ito naman, yung telomerase, ito yung pinaka-latest ngayon, no? When you say telomerase, you are referring to an enzyme, no? An enzyme that protects the ends of the chromosome. Ano ba yung chromosome? Ang chromosome ay thin-like, thread-like structure found at the center of our cell, the nucleus of our cell. It is made up of protein and a long strand of DNA, okay? As such, it acts as a packed storage of our genetic code that serves as a holding instruction that tells your body how your body grows, how it will work, and how it will look. So that is the effect of your chromosome. Kaya yung telomerase, it protects the ends of the chromosome para hindi ito lumilit ng lumilit. Habang kasi lumilit ng lumilit ito, nagiging mas matanda ang tao tingnan. At saka mas napapadali ang buhay. No? It holds the key to longevity and also to a youthful looking skin. Telomerase also preserve genetic information across generations. No? Kaya very important ito. Tapos yung pangatlo, pang-apat na pala, vitamin C. Alam naman natin lahat ang vitamin C ay antioxidant. So, it works on destroying the free radicals na nagko-contribute sa ating aging process. It also helps in making our skin looks bright because it fades pigmentation and it brightens dark spots. It smoothens fair lines, okay? So, pinawawala niya yung mga fine lines na nandiyan na sa atin. And it is also collagen booster. And it also enhances anti-inflammatory effect of this vitamin, and you can also use it to enhance the effect of your sunscreen, no? So lahat sila nakakatulong sa anti-aging. Ito naman napakaganda. Actually, ang ano nito, marami siyang laman, no? Meron siyang okay, sorry, I have to meron siyang acetyl tetrapeptide that helps to improve the puffiness of the eye bag. Kaya for eye bag siya, yung malalaking eye bag, ito yung magandang ginagamit. It has also palmitoyl oligopeptide that helps improve the collagen production and the general skin cell condition. It also has a cornflower flower water that helps to improve the local microcirculation and suits the skin. It has also Hamamelis virginiana leaf water, which helps soothes and acts as an astringent. And lastly, it also has a magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, no? Parang vitamin C din. So, lahat ng ito nandito sa eye bag na to. Although it works very slowly, hindi naman instant, hindi kagaya ng mga filler at saka yung mga na mabilisan ng effect nila. All the creams work more slowly than the procedures, pero ang kagandahan nito, na maintain niya yung effect na desired effect na gusto natin at saka napapabata niya tayo habang matagal mong ginagamit. So this is how it looks, no? Lalagay mo underneath the eyes and it will work on your puffy eyelids. Okay. So pag ikaw naman ay may melasma at gusto mong pumuti, you add of course whitener or brightening skin creams, no? Ang brightening skin creams ay kagaya nito. Actually, pinagawa ko to sa aking pharmacist. 5 ang laman nito na puro whitener at ito ay very effective na to whiten the skin at hindi lamang to sa buka, no? Pwede mo itong ilagay sa mga singit, kilikili, under the breast, no? And anywhere else, you could use it anywhere else. Napakaganda talaga. And it is not irritating. Yun yung pinakamaganda dito kasi most bleaching creams or whitening creams are irritating. So, yan, ito yung mga anti-aging na bago ngayon at marami pang ibang darating. So, if you have any more questions, just please get in touch through my numbers and please like, share, and follow my account.